enemy, you not go work. I be not be so. Thank you, my darling. AD. Sure you know. Sure you understand not the work. Hey. Oswald. And then, you know why I think they pay me? Now those people we go feed the pre-wash. Okay. Una sister symbol. Oh, are the pity people when they follow this woman? Una sister symbol for there. Oh, we now. Where me now? I don't really understand. I don't understand people when they follow you. Many I am wearing go to. My star symbol don't they work. A star symbol me on we now. Very women now. My people. I don't understand this woman. Those people, they're not get sense. Many people did this social media, guys. Many people did this social media when we say they don't get stars. She herself know I started the work. Wait on my or what even a star ya win ahead, my people. Okay, my beautiful people. When star one start to the work, my people. Like yesterday when I do live video finish. So I come out to say make I go because sometimes I dey go my comment section, they share comments, I dey go my people where put red heads, I dey block them because I know say na people where they follow PC for us. In do I ready, so I got to block them. So my people, as I dey enter the comment section, my star come show. As the star show, because that star, I never put whenever they walk, it's not working. So when I come say the star show for head, I come say make I click on. So whether it don't they work or not, because me I don't feel last that they lie. Make I click on whether it don't they work or it not they work. That's why I take click on. When I click on, me don't know whether it work or not. So that star, it never still show for me because my this thing now don't they complete. There's some people saying again, many people they ask me say why this or star not they work now games, some saying again, some saying you go follow page. I don't try to do it so that made the star for the work. So I got see her yesterday. When I see her, I click on. When I click on, you know they work well. So I try to say, okay, make I do whether I will go for setting. Me, I don't know how the star take work out when they say now some me call give us. If you check that star, you go say and say not be me put money give you star. And you know say it pays Facebook don't want give you star. Maybe one star to the work. You go, they go give you say you go get like when me check on yesterday was like 555 star something. So when me take click and make I check on whether it they work. Now I take click on yesterday. Me not there I work. How much must be the video on my own page? Now I did. And she when she they talk, so she knows that when Facebook they bring star come, sometimes they'll give you money. When they put money for inside, that money you go now Facebook page to page. You understand? But if you come out, if you not put money, like as she take get star, so if you not put money for a MasterCard or for paper card, you know if you give me star. That star when me click yesterday when it come outside, so when you understand say not this so that one are for testing for people when they do live video, when they give star. It can go to anywhere. Meanwhile, when you call they tell you and say me call give and star. That star so when they give you like that, now anybody, meanwhile who you they watch, now not say me for me not the last that they lie. Una not say me they follow her before I they watch or not of which una know. Me follow her for her page. And me don't fair give and star. Una not say when she they tell una say I not give and star. It all the my account everything now one. Una not say now this. So because me don't fair give and star, maybe now waiting make the free this thing where they give me that one a free page. If you be Facebook, you don't do your page. This question, if I they lie, they go give you free just to check. Just because maybe me don't fair give and star. Maybe when I take click and it can't enter, they want to say me they wash you for whatever but lawe. I beg, carry that money, go take juju. If na me put money for that, the show you say I said the star never they work. That one is just like testing. That one is just like testing. You dey come up why I not go block you. You want me I block you again? You want me I block you again? When I share the video, my people. When I not let them wash you now. Ask her as he start there so. If me my star don't they work. If I not get money, it not go work. It not they go. Una way they give stars for Facebook. How they be? Now when you get money for your paper card, master card, this thing, now you go fit and buy star when you go. So make up put money, go bring a come. You know, see, say, I don't understand people when they follow that woman. Please share this video, guys. They said the Emily J, the people here, they share and they go, why I go give you star? Bien, who will be your money about when me tell you now, my people say, I don't forgive and star when he do a bed on the 15th of July. I'm not talking for this social media. Why she not go screenshot that one come? Make it all say, Vera, you they lie. Where the star come there for you? More than me tell her, make it go open that. Then make she screenshot everybody when give her star that on the 15th of July. You go see my third YouTube channel, Vera Comedy for inside. When me take give her star. Oh, this why they put red for my video. You dey crazy. I call down here. Oh, no, that mama no they tell una sense. Me where that page don't see and I say star never they work. How come me walk out and give you this thing? How come? And they come, my people, and they come. Don't block you now. Me I say want to put your head again. Oh, she una see and I say the star not they work. Of which she know. Now lie no super. Can you come and be brainwashing people's heads? You know if you can they brainwash people's head. Una say the star they work now. No. It's testing anybody. If we say now another person, I just if I give super star with my Facebook, it go for go anywhere. So me say as me try and me can forget say another live video. Try and me say maybe try and why I can't give you money? You the crazy. You know see say that star not be real paper where person will put money for MasterCard or for this thing. Then you go take go. You know see and say na test. You know see and say na waiting page Facebook they give person. When they give you star before your star go they work, not be one day your star go take work. Though na small it they come. That one so that they give everybody when they say you don't they use Facebook, you a page, you don't your star want the work, you must get that one. That free, it be like when they say this what they call this thing no, this one that they gather coin, something like that. That's what it be. You can give to anybody when you click, if you give anybody, it's not the big. You understand? So for her to call the la but I can't give it that. I can't give you money. Who they give you money? Who bell? Who won't give you money? The one when me give you July 15th, you say me you not shop my money. Now you dey fear. Now fear the whole and so on. Now make a wonder. If you not see her not to really know the truth, whether na real money, mona check no go see star here. Star not there. You understand say you know there. She understand say you know there. It not there. Because it just they come. Since how many months I don't they try to do it, it just they come. Meanwhile, me don't know that they live video yesterday. I was on my own page. A page mega age. Why would I give you money? If you check on you go see say not big. Me no say that you ain't go or whatever. I know they lie. I don't think all they lie, they brainwash people's heads. When they say me give so you know something on my true page. Now this page. Share you say now through this page. Okay, I call the star, not call the year. Now, if now me really put money, call the star don't really work. Now me put money give you. And the imagine people where they follow on. Based on, I never give, this I don't give another person star. Because my YouTube channel, everything, you know, say, oh, be like the same. This me don't first give another person star. Maybe now that person go for go meet. Or maybe Lolo or any other person. No, yes, I told her, say, now she me don't first give star. Then I blog. This, I beg. If you see anybody where they do anything, let me know, my darling. Yeah, if you see anybody where they do, she should tell you, me not clear. Tell me, make I block your head. You understand? Who be that? And they come make her fan up. What it be name? Okay, they come. Okay. I'm not going to click for you. Okay. Come, guys. Okay, now this person I will talk. Also, they come. I'm not going to do for them. I will try to. Well, I'm not minor. Now I hear the warrior. You understand my people? So when I not listening to them, now so they tell the lie up and down. Make it call the people. Come on, ask him. When I help me ask her, he go tell you now so like she the lala up or down. Why I go give you where that be your mama? when me they give you money, but bola we be. The one when me give you, when you come outside, come and say, me not give me money, oh, I never shop you money, oh. I be not be this social media for talker. Social media now when I my men. You never eat my money. When I go YouTube, I go bring and come outside. When people come see and say, yes, I give you money. Now with this social media, no okay, boo. But I don't mind my lovely people. When I don't mind now my this thing, my stars go soon start to the work. You understand? No say many people don't they ask about the star when they be say no, so say na game. I don't they try to they do, but it never. If you not see and it not show. If you not look and hear, they never show. So the one when me give one. When I go bring for our YouTube, may go bring and come. I don't know why those people when they follow are dumb like that. But ask them when they come now whether they don't they show. It never they show where because it never stable. That one is just like show. No people when they are paid, just they come go show. Even my sister Serati boss, you don't they show. If he check and if he go anywhere, maybe he just give me star before you go come. Now so it they be. You understand? Good evening, you know, welcome my people. Please share this video, guys. Share it as my lovely people. Now, one way they say are different. The one way call they talk different. No may talk boy. You when if it deny say me not give you money, then me call up a couple money for my paper card. I call they give you money. But ball la we be at why renounce when boy. Where you say me not give you money, not be make up proof and say I give you money. When people call say Vera say he give you money. I can't got to go bring her when people call up I can't see him. Okay, nothing got screenshot that when I see you in life. When I see you now, let me go call you belly for a couple. You don't see and I say, nah, this thing. But I don't mind no minor. That one on Facebook put the money for them. You know if you use or do anything. The money na not going to let you collect. You not go use it. Me I not the lie. You know say people go call the turner, not the turner. So very soon I go soon get that. But if you check here now, it not say anymore because it's just the build the cost small. You understand? That one on Facebook they give everybody. Everybody get everybody now. People when it be say they get page as I think they do live video. So if the time don't they reach, so they will got to put it. That one are testing. So I mean because me don't fair give for maybe now it take God my hope the same me send out to myself or make I will test her. I don't know say now you for go long. Me don't even know that it did live video yesterday because I was on my page yesterday to share comments and they block people where they pull red head. If I block them, then you know if it come again. So as I did live video, instead they go open another fake account through that red head, I go block them. They know if it enter again. You understand? So let me tell you, say make I click where comment today. It can show for head, and you know what I'm talking about. People when be Facebook when they get page, they not say the truth or they talk. That one are free enough page they give person. It's just like coin. You know they big. They understand? Meanwhile, when we take first send a star, now it take go. Send me a couple money for your packet, can't give you money. He walk on that side they come back. Who what this your bad this your allow it be. Okay, when I call ask them now, waiting that one now call me. Me not even know. Now one of my ladies come even tell me say they have the shot and they go. Emily J the shot and they go. This one have the shot and they go out bell. I'll come give you money like waiting. You knew born a mama, I be the whole you money. If I ball out with me. Very anyhow people. If not some people, the one when me say me give her for this thing when they do birthday. If not say show now. Or ma give my one about ball like ba shower kobo. See your husband now, you not gonna do Bible study again. Or lay the man now, he don't run. Because if you do Bible study, nobody they agree they wash. I get topic. Every day I get topic. Tomorrow I get topic. Next tomorrow I get topic. The other day I get topic. When if they do Bible study, you know, I say the man don't run. Because either good or bad, the shame see they catch the man. We not say even though you use wish or juju. At the time, I will have your clear, like, oh, make your eyes still clear. If you not see something, I go see say, the man don't they shame. Since how many weeks now, you not be come back for Bible study, maybe say, you want to follow and do Bible study. Or even, you not there. The man not follow and do Bible study. Because now, person will be say, now who she want drop down, who you want spoil. Now he define. I'll give her. Start the give you star, the cruise. But boy, I go give you star. Give you star, say what happen. You know, Bob baby. Who that be your mama? You know, Bob baby. Yeah, you might be. The way me give you crow, you deny. How much I'll cost it down? I'll give you money. That one on Facebook, na page. You understand? If you understand, I go see say the star never they work. You know they work, they come, but you never they work finish. You understand? Say you know they there. You never they work. You know so they do. First of all, you go find comments. People when you get page, know what they talk about. There are some people now, when you go enter their page, you go see her for the head there. So you just do the star before you go call stay permanently. If the person they live video, you go see the star, you go there near where this thing comments there for them. Now so they lie no suba. Now so she take the lie up and down. DNA now that they ask you now, you they run up and down. Then they ask you this one, you they run up and down. Now mind them mommy up. I call you before I can't give you star kill you there. They owe you money. Memo was signing out the star when we lie no suba. We move. I can't give you money because I they owe you money. I can't give you money. There is some money not they let you take the beer. If you say your picket, you feel say your picket collect money. Oh, I think they kill me where. Oh, ya nigo. Come on for here. Your man not local. I call you for here. I call you here. Now they use a fake account. Who Gambia? They use fake account. They comment up and down. No, it's not local. Leave on. My people like and they can't pay. If I like, I can't put another one. I can't cross like this. I can't put another. I can't cross on. Your man went down there abroad for more than 3 years. Now they know how to they make up. After many years, went down there abroad 3 years ago for you and me. Now he call them. 3 years ago for you. Now he can't know how to make up. Manage. My house still good now. I remember, please share the video, guys. My house still good. You went to turn it inside darkness. We don't know fake accounts. If the check online, not be real. Leave on. My people like her like that. Now this makeup and the makeup when I take fight, a wage I fight for at the end. He say he not send me. The lie when the lie are not publisher. The lie when the tell us say he not call me. Why my publisher ni? Wagbeo. Yeah, you might be. Now say I talk a very soon. You go they walk small. But now, never they walk well. I give you. I get you. Who they give you money? If I were you self, I go they fear self. If you see that kind of thing, or I may where. Maybe you have we no put the back over. Girl say now Facebook. You don't go to one use on table. Now nothing. A Facebook already here you are. Now Facebook put out for them. So nothing one you should do. So yeah we be up. A Facebook or the when you know the truth. You know the truth, Oswald. You know the truth. If you see her now, you're gonna say that this thing a true Facebook page. Whether they give person first. I see 555 dead there. Now I make a try him. At the end, I surprised I got the screenshot. Go do DNA now. Who like him? You know what do DNA? One like I share one of mama why me leave you for waste. If na dream you did, they can't tell you say now you're witch or you sabi fly or you sabi go babalawo. They can't tell you say I go wake up pull money for a master car. You will both collect. You really say your picket, you really like money. Because if a person like me, say if I say that kind of thing, I go shout, come outside. Oh, I'm aware. If not dream you did, they can't tell you like that, say Vera is coming to come and be super shouting you. You love it, they say, this dream, this is fake. May you wake up from your sleep. This one a lie. This dream not be truth. I share what come on. Go do dinner now. You don't run. Or you probably they say you fuck now for Germany, yeah. They say they prison. They say they prison. When I not here yesterday. Me ma tamu wa ma beg. I went bono wa ho ya wa ware prison. They say na then one pipe put. Wanna see the battle to where they carry they go. Oh go. Now that one I want to cover shame and disgrace. Me not be like could where they lie. I know they lie. If you check and you say the start never they work, it's just the cost small because it don't they near. I don't try my best. So I go. I see one in the area. So you come for your dream. Me go leave you for waste. Oh, you supposed to say that dream not correct. Where I work at me where no, it's not correct. This dream, I say Pashadze. And when we are at me and you for tell say this dream Pashadze. You want to say Pashade. They are asking you now, how do you waka? How you tell waka for calling? When you call me, you the dinner. Thank you, mommy. Hope Jarega look beautiful. Thank you, my lady. Then they ask you why you waka for this thing when you they do now. You the dinner up at that. Call when you come and say, you say you don't call Vera. At the end, I bring evidence. Shame and disgrace. One fire for where it is. Shame and disgrace. They call girls when on YouTube this. Shame and disgrace. One fire. Okay, boy. Shall walk up. When I see the man on the follow that he should record it. If you walk with Mulan Zato Yahweh live video about Bola we. He give or you bought to fuck or you bought you don't hear another way the woman talk yesterday. All the ones when you bought fuck her or you bought a tap kirikiri. Or you bought a tap kirikiri or he said make you go bring a cover for you. Another when they talk yesterday. Share this video, guys. Share it out. But I don't listen to that. She get Emily J. And they let my fans they know anything they put for Emily J, not bother. She's the one that have Emily J. Now she get a Tafia blog. Now she get a name microphone whatever. Now she gets her. So anything you see there, now people things will be say if they talk about her, now they post there. So you know what they put her for? This thing make people don't go give her strike. Now make una say they use all those accounts they publish them. You don't need to mind them. You don't need to mind them. You don't need to mind if you say anything for that page. No, your reason and saying a better thing. You know be better thing when you want to go check anymore. Now she gets her. She's the one that holds it. Now she. Now I hold. Okay, no. I shower on mama. Oh, God, God, give her say, well, Bell, the one I give you, not see her. When I say I give you, you didn't say I not give you. Go bring her. You know, bring screenshot and come outside. You say, I'm gonna see people when give me start that day. Where am I going to I shower, come. Papa, well, last time you bring a picky call. You don't run up and down. Go give her a picky. Olekia. Linus Upa. Papa, while I see us and I say, now boy, he say not get many children. Even the audio when I play yesterday, they say when you carry the picky call, you they run up and down. Why the lady? Go give her a picky. Cut matter now. Vera, which truth are you looking for? Vera, why are you looking for the truth? Vera, which truth are you looking for? Vera, which truth are you looking for? At the end now, cut Amarijo. Amarijo cut you. You are bola your wish kill. This is your wish. You go which person body you want work? You dey mad. That shower kobo gag. If now your dream, they tell you say Vera don't leave, you don't go tell them say, oh, let me wake up for dream. Saga. She think the way she oppressed that her bestie. When that one, she oppress her. Carry old people cassava. You not gonna see my toto brick. Hey, now I make you quiet. Hey, yeah. I find no say no go see. No details to beat Vera. Details not the way you want to match Vera. You know there you don't see her now. Hey, details you don't where you Vera answer. You know there. She don't go say waka follow la twari no go boo talk molo. Talk molo why ti wa zekia ya twari he. It should be cassava for twari ti oti na me kuna I belle not the less. If he wear ghetto, he back go he go swallow ghetto. Why back not go swallow ghetto? Bis and yam. Baku bis. Akbu baku na in the shop. Stinginess. Money matter not the letter take the sea road. And we go get ya beg. Okay, no woo. Why that kind of woman no go fuck? Mona tell me why that kind of woman. Then you know wake here. Tell me why she no go they fucky up and down. Tell me the reason why she no go fuck. It must fuck. Because why? He like money pass any other thing. He can't like money. Abola go de give you star agbe o at your heart. See for TV Jack Koriko. TV Jack Koriko, how are you? Shey, Ojoba Jevo thief. Money, you go sell your children one day because of money. Oga eki vi ebe dokpa rudigo. O agbe o. You will be a grateful human being. As I fight for you, Rich, you come to media and tell them that you did not send me. You say you don't send me message. You say you don't send me message. If I will not have that evidence, people don't believe. No, if I born loud, they don't believe you. People don't believe you. Say, hey, not true. She dey talk, oh, and what if I were not having the truth. Now people come they say the kind human being will be shame and disgrace. You don't feel come outside. You guys say love. I go wallow you. He use the man take ton yeye. Dada kulukulu. He use dada kulukulu take ton yeye. Dada kulukulu. Na iko be rine na. Dada kulukulu. He use a ton yeye. That is toto no man the fuck and we know they get problem. Papa while don't they date big guests, he not get problem. Immediately shoe prick for your TOT. Problem come. Dada kulukulu na be the latest name when I give on. Dada kulukulu. He spoil Dada kulukulu life. Or more agbon muria. He spoil Dada kulukulu life for on a back of cupboard for call the look. Or he call the look, call the people like monkey when they want give banana. Umueria. Wagbeo. Ah, with me. If they tell you say that for dream, you don't think go tell them say that lie. Get me a boo where do one. You don't think go tell them. Useless, you go, you liar, you lying bitch. You don't see anything take cover up. Uma mean your fire cover up. You don't see anything take cover up. You don't see. Because you don't lie when you want lie now. I'll come outside and call the bokan. Lie when you want lie. I will come outside and call the bokan. Now you're matter she couple for her now. Iyoro. Is Emily J. Now she get that account. All those blog, all those page. Now she get them. Now you're matter she couple for her now. Iyoro said they give her 63 million because you know they use here money. Here we go. Or what we go? I try to carry no wow. You go to make it die. You go to make it die. My people. 63,000, they can't give an fake. As me, they don't carry a partition for another person. If they let they can't give that one 63,000, they don't give. Ah, that one take consign me. But you don't they use account up and down and she want that kulu yes. Maga. That kulu be that. Who give her that? Wagbeo. Baba the way they give up. Molomo will not take go ahead. You not take get it. Get it. We need to take that 50 stand back. Can you imagine? Yeah. Thief. You know, if that be Bias, I go to fear. Just on a page, you know, na page, that's how it be. It can go to anybody. Maybe because I follow now you go. Now Facebook money. Me a couple of for people can give money. You know cut there off for my master can. We make me a go, you know. Wagbeo. Now your money now you see they cry put. Any platform where for sister they talk about Yoruba that 63,000 euro. All he want whoopana. He don't carry fake account. He don't block. He don't they put some. If that one cause they give her money and truth, then it not gonna be truth. And that one come tell you, what where you want that put. I don't know why go they whip Panadol for another person headache. Huh? Now you teach her how to lie. It doesn't mean they talk how they test our life for this social media. One man I mean here talk over here. You teach her how to lie. 63,000 euro. He want your buy or what so. You know whether you don't know whether na truth, whether na lie, whether na fake, whether na real. You want die because here we go. Whether na joke, that one they use as a joke now. No, you should not know. Okay, what woo? No, your coy. Lie no super. You want your die. You want your buy put. You want wujo. You want die. You want die. Can you imagine? You want your die because of a money we don't be our own. You don't know how it take home. You don't even know whether that's truth. More way put for us or money. Or more dark body. Or more dark body is spoil that one day. Is spoiling life. Is spoiling. Like I said tomorrow, not more ya. The man mileage then the man called it. Or more dark bona more ya. Line super. They lie up and down. Stop lying. Shame now don't they cash. Okay, woo. If you see shame where they cash and you want die. For you to tell people the truth, you not let here. For you to tell them how the matter tell them, you come they lie. Now make una see or not. You don't come nowhere. What carry face go? Can you imagine another woman called join two women? They do video say now so. You collect or you bought for her hands. I will not be able. You collect or you bought for her hand. Why? For what? You collect or you bought for her hand. Eh? Oh, you call yourself a married woman. Una ya mie oviere ebo. And you say you dey off my house. I be married woman. He spoil all of them. GPCA Kiamagwalo prostitution group. Aba shewo kopo group. They collect people husband collectible. They beat people, they collect their husband. They beat people, they collect their husband up and down. Agbiyamiyazo. Ashewo no mama. Now what did they teach them for them? When I tell them, say I'm not the GPC, they be the teacher they lie. I'm not there one day because now see finish. Yeah, see finish. Then they inside there. Now the water fuck. And the water shook cassava. Iya where ya talowa. And the way they follow the up and down. Up and down. Eh? They follow them up and down. Shameless he goats. Oh, fake accounts when you take the social media. Me, I not get fake account. Once I tell her that day. I not get fake accounts. Even you don't get what I use until they do. I not get fake accounts. You don't get what I use until they do. Everyone. You not there. You not there. You not get. Now there. Area ya make fake accounts. Let lay ya here. They use a fake account will be done block for this my page. In fact, 2 of it now. 2 of it now fake accounts. Okay, no. Where you go the open, you go the open. He carry the man, he's spoiler. Eh? He almost been on a way here. The man now come because disgrace to Isham the good one. Now self the disgrace, not be good people. Egba Muria. Ashawo na mama. You if you carry big man cassava, una mwere, una zanzan. That one still called this year. If you see they look for another way to still bring that man down. Then you can't say your coffee goes scot-free just like that. Upon the evil you did on social media. I wag away, I was fear for. I wag away, I was fear for. But you don't get forgiving hearts. Oh, I mean forgiving hearts for where I shower no mama. Yeah, you might be. Not go walk. All your mates, then you can now that they walk. All your mates now they do driving license. We don't do driving. You say you do driving. Now here now we cost it. Then when they call the talk say not be driving a provisional navy license. Now he there with you. At the end the caller one call say no. When you take reward, just spoil their life. It spoil their life. They call guys. They call my people. They can enter this place. It spoil their life. Provisional license house you don't get. He say he get house. At the end we call see here say they squat with people. I be man how the social media. Squatty. I shower the area. If I ball light dopolo, go no good bed dopolo. Picky way papa fuck my people. That kind picky go take better. Picky way papa shoot cassava for it. Tell me how that kind picky go take better before. Omonera zekia yowe. Linus uba. Omonera zekia yowe. Tell me how you go take good. Share this video, guys. I'm coming, my people. Yeah. Omonera zekia yowe. When papa vandalize, you know if you tell mama say if papa vandalize audio life, audio hotel, audio this one, audio house, audio provision license, audio. The most painful part, this woman don't get shit. Now because of this pattern when the dead grad though, she for those things come outside call we another thing. We. You go for those things called the we they lie up and down for social media. Oh, we are told, you know, for they find 1 or 2 things. Show us now, you know, show. Show this one, you know, show. Show that one. JB, I tell you now here that I can't tell you now say, when he talk about that driving license, he dance. When she come, they say, see the driving license, guys. The video, now, if you go check a video, now it's June, I be July, now I think it's April or May. Now it do the, no, it's June, I think. Now I do the video. My people, Ola go say na orange us blood hair. Now she wear. If not fit trace that video. When it talk about the driving license, when one person tell me say me the lie. Now orange and black hair, us blood. Now be the weaver. Us blood and black. Now she wear. Now be the weaver when she wear that day. When she come tell una say Now, so he don't get license. So, where everybody call they happy, that I say they support her. I got to say the truth. Not knowing that Madam don't get any driving or provisional license that they call her. Then they call her, oh, let me she did a video. She were dancing. He don't get drive you. He your keep quiet. He know what to say. She don't get driving license. So she just keep her. People were happy. We too call they happy because I the supporter that I'm not about myself. Not knowing that a provisional license is not a genuine one. Where you not get full driving license, you not get better driving license, not they near the person, they go enter one chance. And that car can't be better driving. And she says she don't pass. And she says she don't pass driving. Meanwhile, this woman not get driving license. Any driving. And I said, when the social media go. Come on for here. I call you for here. Come on for there. May I not block you. Come on for my YouTube. May I not block you. Useless as shower set of people. Shame will not get. Come on for my YouTube channel. Are you mad? Very sticky people. Lie. Now dissenting. Now this set it has set. Now husband want ask of DNA we go say. Now this guy has set. That man want ask of DNA where they go see her. She don't get driving license. She say don't get driving license. She begin we wear. Papa Wala not tell her anything. She run come outside. Papa Wala. We call the tea say na better thing. Not knowing that Papa Wala not even talk anything, my people. Share this video, guys. Not knowing that Papa Wala not even say tell them any bad thing. Now where she want use Obolomo, where use Obolomo to make money, now they fine. We don't know. Papa wanna go and find what he said. Bebo na tell make he play the record. A record the man go and me. Wait Papa Wala. Na him Papa Wala the toto. Na him Papa rek ki you dia. Record mu. A share wo kobo. Line super. A share wo kobo. Now Papa Wala say mona tell am mona ask her say the audio way they talk about make she couple. He the man for social media. Ona the man. Baby the man tell her say you don't want fuck again. You not gonna leave the man for waste. That's why you don't be talk polo. Oba seru wala bobeku. There's never go. You not gonna leave there for waste because he am my bike here. She refused to live there for waste. Like really? And you claim you are a married woman? And she a couple woman. She refused to leave Papa Wala alone. Ona refused. She refused to leave her alone. To leave them alone, I mean. She refused. I share what did he the worst part that she don't see matter they talk. Why did she refuse to remove Papa Wala from media? Because the Snebagwa, nobody can carry the Snebagwa committee when the Snebagwa do party this year. You see what caused that man? When the Snebagwa he way, the Babola will bash share what in the end, yeah. What did the Snebagwa call do you? No worry, yeah. Shameless she goat. Please share this video, guys. Give thumbs up for YouTube. Welcome, guys. Welcome, my people. Mona answer wetin the Snebagwa do. The Snebagwa refuse to fuck her. Mona call here. The Snebagwa no one fuck her because if I think the Snebagwa don't know say if he put prick, disgrace go come. If he put prick, disgrace go come. That's the reason why the Snebagwa was running up and down. Because the Snebagwa don't know say na toto way they keep man. Who he not bought me no. The Snebagwa know why he was running away from this mad dog. Because he like say he don't know. So now, hey ma. Who he near walk be pound. People. Offer on. Now they say toto they do. Now he make the man run. As he do the Snebagwa rebel, Snebagwa no gree give man. He no gree let us see. Now he make it say, not be say you're pricklish. He go publish the picture. Because the man refused to vandalize her. The man refused to buy here, yo. The man refused. They come. The man refused to back yo. The man refused to back yo, my people. The man refused to back yo. That's the pain she was having. Because there's something, man do you something. Like, man do you offend you. Because the man refused to fuck her. The man refused to back yo.
Hello?
Hello, I'm on live video.
Good evening, yes. I want to contribute.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, I want to contribute.
We dey hear you, ma.
You see this
Network. Hello?
disgrace to women.
Hello.
Just bunch of disgrace. You dey hear me?
We dey hear you now. Yeah, we dey hear you now. Network.
Hello, you dey
before.
hear me?
Yeah, we dey hear you now. Network before. We dey hear you now.
Hello?
Hello. We dey hear you now. Hello? 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 We dey hear you. Oh, network. If you come back, network. Hey, my people! Because there's in a back one, oh, that man no green fuck. Oh, that man who hey. I trust that man no want do. That man don't know. Say if he put cassava for this TOT, if he do vagara, problem go come because who he no done. Oh, that man refused to sleep with her. Hello. They hear you now. Yeah, quick talk. Now network. We dey hear.
This Monica, and I read, in fact, I pity her husband. Because I read bunch of disgrace to women.
Hey!
Because if her husband don't know what thing they saw, I never see Shama, read Shama or read Binima. They'll come tell you, say, one of your pikin will be your pikin, you go for that, they look.
I will never see now. This is you, not be first.
I never see now abomination, especially to Isha people. Isha will be saying before the man, I know one of my friends that I go swear in case he cheats later.
Yeah!
So to me, the man know what they apple.
Hey!
The man know what they apple. Because as I say now, don't come tell my husband, so one of the pikin no be pikin. You see they spread.
Another man go call the demand of DNA. Another man go say me.
You don't know what they do, and it's not just to be clear. You don't say the man be like a rope. He don't take to talk finish that man. He don't take to talk, go for finish. He go come still cook abomination. We didn't call her our.
Wow! Leave this to my lady.
That man, so.
Hey!
Isha people, that they clap on the phone and they don't go fight. Waiting on say help their brother. That man had died there, so.
No be joke, my darling.
It's obvious say Monica don't lock her inside bottle.
Lock
because
her.
he go see come out. What did they irritate me past? He go see come out. He go see the funny wife they do live video.
Hey.
Imagine.
Hey.
Isha.
He don't get say.
No, where they get dignity.
Hey.
That man dignity don't die.
Oh, woo.
If I that man don't die. Don't have living corpse.
Hey.
Don't accuse you say your wife, your friend, your only son, not be you get her. You go for that. If you don't get money, you don't go borrow do the DNA.
Oh.
The man no be picking. The man no be picking. The man no.
Hey, my darling.
The man no. The man no. Now make a no the talk. Instead, he go still come and they follow. Just see as human being. Be from me, Monica. I know they present that kind of person as my husband. No, the man be like for me. If they put that for show glass, I don't go buy.
Not this way, the man. Hey.
Very irritating. If they put
Good
that
evening,
for show
mommy.
glass, I don't go even press.
Mommy, yeah, kill ya. Good evening, ma. Hey.
They come out for Facebook again. Monica make you go do DNA to clear the air. It's very ugly. The Monica said very ugly. I don't know what people. I said they follow her. Then when I come see her say I'm very useless person, immediately I follow her.
Hey. Oh, network not for copy. This color they make sense. Share this video, guys. Share it at my people.
Best of the same feather.
Hey.
Now when they beg for free, come and fuck, I will pay. Useless set of people. Useless set of people. They are the disgrace women they go.
Up and down.
With them behind you, fire away. We make it bring DNA. Oh, may I dance. May go hide the chef. May not they come out again.
Hey.
May not they come out again.
Since 2 years. Now they ask of DNA. Since 2 years. You sit down, ask another woman DNA. Where the DNA don't
He don't get they shame. I'm not going to come and say that person is my wife.
Hey!
If they use their J-boy prick, they compare them.
It's the back wow.
If you fuck your papa, if you fuck your pikin, if you don't leave that pikin, make the pikin fuck her, because I'm not sure say your husband get prick again.
Oh.
You come out for social media and they talk, say your pikin prick. How you tell say a grown-up boy like that? May not be say that's they fuck that pikin, no.
Hey!
Because if your papa will fuck you, your pikin, you still leave your pikin may fuck you. Now that is just it.
Hey!
That is just it. You come back, married woman. Cause they compare man prick for social media. Is that not the height? And the husband dead there. The husband not feel shut about and say, what are you even saying? Because now I don't decide bottle. He not feel shut about say, will you keep quiet? What are you even saying?
What are you saying?
Compare your son's dick to another man's wife. He not feel caution up. I bet that man don't make Kisha people, make the fire don't take character to come Nigeria, carry a go strong native doctor or strong pastor, make the deliver. The man is gone, honestly. He's gone. He's gone. He's finished. The man is finished. Honestly, not finished. Well done, my lady. I have my contribute.
Thank you, my darling. Thank you, my
all right, now.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye. Yeah. Hey, Shineke na mezoku. Oh, let me cut off for that one. Hey, my lovely people. Water shall never end. Water shall never end, my people. Mona share this video, my people. Mona share. Oh, Jehovah Jireh. Una yes, oh. How can a man dey life? The another man they ask of say if he papa deny fail, make they call her. And the man still sit down with the same woman without talking. That means he can't get a winner, eh? He can't winner. Because all the man will go you where no. Now your duty to go and do that deny, even your woman they draw nyash. You have to go and do it because you don't really get may not call disgrace you finish. And it does spoiler or the pata. You go see the same matter they talk. They bring another man who fi use in your pikin broke or prick. Take compare a whole grown up man when he get wife. As this call at us, notice say never they fuck that pikin. Pikin when he fertilize the papa. No go bed up or lawyer than if I born like up or like no lady we want. If I born like up or like no go bed up or law. Pikin when he fertilize the papa. Tell me who you not go fit fertilize. That pikin and I make it the buy and something. J. He go see the fuck because for that pikin to grow like that, my people. He see the talk say he prick big. He cassava make bri wo. Oh yeah, wo. Oh we kill me, wait oh yeah, wo. You sure say you never see go the sugar for because now you they tell us say this one has spoiled, that one has spoiled. Meanwhile now we call they know say that you be the share walk up. Now we call they know the one if he talk to you don't agree fucker, he go bring you call social media called disgrace so now her work. Now what she they do? If he do say he can't do say wait be say he talk to you uma kwene he gonna find way walk up curse you cause say your prick una not hear what he talk about one person he get which person talk he say whether papa wala cassava na betati or when they keru wala when we are money here when they keru wala or when they are goreva he say whether betati they there or when keru wala when you not fuck man, you not vandalize man. How come you can't no say we kia or ma say me rockba? How come you know that? How come you can't no say it cassava not reach anywhere? How come you can't no say it cassava it not reach anywhere? Not be waiting person they do they don't say person cassava not reach. Bezon okpae he said papa wala cassava always dey me agboni here we no know when he talk he said papa wala cassava whether na salty he say That something that better thing they did. People go say he. When man walk me, I'm where you did you kiaje. Like no suba. Audio hotel, audio house, audio driving license, audio this. Liar. Una no know what she be want to. She be one use part of take pursue mama Waila. She be one use part of take pursue that one. So that it go cost the tell that one. No, she be asking me you do and that you not agree do one. She your wife don't leave you now. Mama Waila was a kind woman, a good woman. If not be so, this woman for pursue papa Mama Waila come up for us. This woman for pursue Mama Waila come up for her say. Ashewo kobo ba bola we gbe. Man, when you marry, if that person get that kind of man, you spoil the man. Man, why not be so it see that man? Eh, do ya milk me adi? Not be so it see a blue. Dada kulukulu, not be so it see dada kulukulu. Dada kulukulu dey well when he see dada kulukulu when he fall in love with dada kulukulu. Dada kulukulu was okay. Dada kulukulu get document, get everything when he say no dada kulukulu. Now shower work when she do, now she take come on, go take marry dada kulukulu. Now she go take marry dada kulukulu, now he marry the man. One are not saying a lie people they talk. But I'm not saying a lie people they talk. Eh? But I'm not sick how. One are not taken. Eh, my people. Dada Kulikuli they okay when you know this witch. Immediately you know it's puelan nyanga my people. It's puelan. It's spoil Dada Kulikuli life. It's spoil the head. It's spoil everything about that man. And if now after he does, my person if he come outside the public, he say he put him on, he say he put her for a side bottle. Or wait till you walk or wait till you walk. Like really? Are you telling me the truth? Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello, I'm on live video, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Let me just contribute to what you're saying.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just speak broken this time around.
Best speak broken.
Okay, you see, the thing is this. My first talk on driver's license thing. You see, the driver's license.
Yeah.
For UK, for you to do driver's license, the first thing you do is to go register. Say, I want to do driver's license.
Okay.
You see that UK is a little bit different from Europe.
Okay.
So when you say, I want to do a driver's license, they will not give you what they call provisional driver's license card.
Okay.
That does not mean you've gotten driver's license. You see, the card wouldn't give you so. To say, okay, you intend to do driver's license. You don't need to do 2 exams. One is a theory exam.
Huh.
And when you pass theory exams, you can go do practical driving exams.
Exam. That's what it be for here too now. It's like that, yeah?
Okay.
It's like that, yeah? If you thought you don't pass theory, you cannot do practical. No.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what my mom did now. My mom do them now.
The thing say, that get too full of lies.
Hey!
She will just lie, but the one they pay me not get problem say they lie you. Now the people who they believe and they follow, now that's the worst situation. They tells you how people foolish
where.
She capitalize on people's foolishness, and they cash in on them. They make money from their foolishness. The day when those guys go know the truth, sure that some of them almost want to go drink poison.
Hey!
You go do provisional driver license. Make I tell you, there's something I'm going to say today tonight.
Provisional license, okay.
With the Monica we know, who we see on social media, the way she drafts it, till the end of the world, I can bet it. Monica no go fit do theory of driver license make it pass. Lie.
Ha! Boy, not truth you say, oh. Not truth.
Lie.
Hey!
Driver license. Now the person they talk always. See, tomorrow she cannot pronounce always.
Always.
She said
Always.
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 Listen, one right. Now one do driver's license. I don't even talk about practical theory. Go come past them. See, listen with what I'm telling you now. Unless you go pay people, when they go, this guy is right, but they catch a big problem.
Now, big problem.
For Monica, actually, we
No.
to go into driver's license exam, sit down, write that 60 questions,
Pass her.
In short, anyway, if you feel right about say, call me, we will give her £5,000.
Hey! Hey!
You can never write it and pass.
Hey!
Provisional driving license is 10 years. You register that I want to do driving license, but it's okay, take what to do. But after 10 years, you know, if you get that, that will expire. You have to do another one.
Hey!
So what she's got there is a provisional saying the intent to do a driver's license, which people come out. So I thought they were celebrating that time.
Hey! She was celebrating it!
She entered UK and started lying and extended. So that alone tells you the number of people who are foolish among our people. It tells you, and people were celebrating that. That is one. Anyway, let's go back to this other bit of it. You see this issue of Ambrose, where that woman talked just now. She hit the nail. There is nothing where Monica did do where Ambrose don't know.
Hey!
I'm telling you, there's something. Make I remind you that maybe some of you don't understand, or I don't know if you remember what happened then. Remember when native doctors say when Monica still they work, when they still with them, say he go bring Oyibo come, he and Ambrose will do threesome with Oyibo go pay them. Will not forget.
Hey! You really talk her. Not truth. Hey!
So Mukula, they remember all these things. Ambrose know exactly what Monica is doing.
Hey!
So the adulterers, whatever you see, you remember when Monica they talk one word, it's like women go to say the two were tied there too. No, I don't feel understand what it tie and Ambrose.
Hey! Talker.
They do a lot of things. You see all this on the crowd for DNA. It's where the man knows exactly what did happen. That is why come break concern to the end of the world. That guy is not going to raise any head or say you want to look into anything. He knows.
Hey!
He knows very, very well. He knows he's aware. He's so conscious.
Oh my.
He knows exactly what is happening.
Oh.
Remember, say, I both say your own girlfriend. Take note.
Yes!
Say your own girlfriend. Liberia girlfriend. See the Monica they sleep with her.
Yes!
They sleep with her.
So, yes, it's true. I have the video. Yes.
Okay, so all these things not be something everybody know. Or that person will be very daft and foolish. Now you go say no. If they support her, okay, we know she's dirty. Is that what they support her? That is their cup of tea. And I will tell you this today: more than 80 or 90% of the women following her, the end of the carry. So many of the carry some people, other people, children for their home.
Hey! Don't be lie.
People did that same level
with her.
Will say anything wrong in what she's
doing.
I'm telling
they
you,
are the same. Bed the same that flows together. Yes.
Yeah. So they flows together. They flocks together. That's the point. They are in that same category. Many of them. I'm telling you, if you dig into them, you see some of this dirty foul place in their lifestyle. That's exactly what it is. That's why, because she knows a lot of people did that rotten line, so she's very proud of it and able to continue with her group. So that is that. So it is something everybody knows. Do you understand? And you remember this same person that they talk about. I forget where Monica almost they confess finish with those things hot so that I begin say, this papa wala, I have a bestie, like we they open to talk for each other. Remember see Monica
talk
like that.
Yes.
Even the useless and after man, now even sit down there, they remind them of you know talk about the therapy, you call the therapy. I mean,
don't be lying, yo. No.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware